there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. I am thrilled to present my new favorite facial friend, the Gua Sha. I was a little skeptical because naturally I have chubby cheeks and maybe the firmness is lacking in some areas. This has actually proven to give me a bit of a jawline. Awesome. I love the firming capabilities and the fact that I know whatever things lie underneath the skin that we really don't want to talk about, they are getting washed away and cleared away. That proper drainage is super important for under our skin, but also this is so great to work in conjunction with whatever serum or moisturizer you're using because it helps the Gua Sha just glide right over your skin. I love the fact that you can find in ample amounts all sorts of tutorials and tips and tricks with this perfect new beauty tool. I am obsessed now. I think I'm going to recommend it to absolutely everybody. You're going to love it so much. I don't ever want to part with it now, and it's almost the shape of a heart. How cute is that? I know you're going to love it, and that's my point of view.